Alright guys, I hope the audio comes in good. I'm trying it for the first time. I'm basically I'm having a no start issue. Changed everything. All sensors, distributor, plugs, wires, timing, fuel pressure. There's no security system in this Jeep. It's a 93 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.0. No neutral drive cut off. Basically everything that I could find on the internet, including a new ECM or PCM, however you want to call it, the computer for the car. Everything's new. So here is the issue. Listen. No start, right? Now if I give it full throttle, nothing. Now it's not even starting how it used to start. Let me see. Nothing. So if we go, just trying to see. Oh, I took out, I think, oh yeah, I took out the starter solenoid. Or relay, I should say. I'll put that back in. So now it should crank over, but it doesn't stay running. So if I give it full throttle or halfway, it just backfires and then just dies. And then it just dies. So I give it gas, it revs all the way up, and then it just dies. A little bit of gas, and now it's just dead. Up, start, dies. So that's basically what it does. And then if I go here, you just saw me start it. I turned it completely off. I mean, there's pressure. There's pressure in the line. There's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of everything. The MSD works. The light, clicks as it's turning. I've had someone watch it while I was cranking it. Tried spraying fuel in the intake. Nothing. It just doesn't want to start. So if you guys have any suggestions before I rush it over to a mechanic and spend more money than I should, let me know. Hit a like on the video. Let's make it try to go viral to help other people if they have this kind of problem. You go out.